Hey, you're back.
So what was it?
It was just a bunch of android robot things breaking into one of my old warehouses. Nothing I couldn't lofty.
Huh.
Hey, where did Studs get off to?
He got a call from Cityville City. Some kind of explosion they wanted him to check out or something.
Cool. So, how's Buffy's mech coming?
I haven't talked him into it yet.
Do I look like I need a mech?
Oh, come on! Who doesn't need a mech? You can put all sorts of craft on it, like rocket launchers!
What are you bums up to?
We're trying to talk Buffy here into getting a mech.
Well, we could use your help finishing up the hangar. Is Lego Lofty back yet?
No, he's not. Yeah, thought he'd been back by now.
Ooh, I can go get him! I'm always looking for a good excuse to take my sweet ride for a ride.
Can't you just call him and he can fly back or something?
I mean, sure, but that's not nearly as fun as driving there and pestering him in person. What do you guys say? Anyone up for a cruise in the carboard?
I'm down.
Beats working on the hangar.
Let's do it.
Whoa!
How'd you get in here?
Oh, well, he said he knew you, and he seemed like a nice guy, so I let him in.
You know what? Fine. To carboard!
Hey, should we bring our mechs or something?
Nah, whatever it was, I'm sure Studs already took care of it. Besides, Buff stuff here doesn't need a mech.